In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Leonardo AI. So, without further delay, let's get on with the video. To get started, open up your preferred web browser on your device and go to the URL box. Type in leonardo.ai and press Enter. Once you press Enter, a new page will open in front of you. Select the first link. This will take you to the official site of Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a creative AI image generator with a focus on creating game assets such as textures, objects, and concept art. Once you're on the official site, click on the Launch App button. In the pop-up, you'll need to be whitelisted to be able to sign in. If you're not whitelisted, you'll need to enter your first name and email address and click on Count Me. Once your email is counted in Leonardo AI, you'll be able to create an account by clicking on the Sign Up link at the bottom of the page. Enter an email address you'd like to sign up with and create a password. Make sure your password contains a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a number, and is at least 8 characters long. It also must not contain a leading or trailing space. Once you've met all the criteria, click on Sign Up. You'll receive a code sent to you via the email you just entered. Open up your email inbox in a new tab and look for the inbox from Leonardo AI. Click on it to open it, and you'll see a verification code sent to your inbox. Copy the code. After copying the code, enter it in the verification text box and click on Confirm Account. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for Leonardo. Go ahead and pick a username. Your username should be unique and for yourself. Select your interests and confirm that you're over 18 by enabling the toggle at the bottom. Then, click on Next. Select the role that best describes you and click on Start using Leonardo. After doing so, you'll be able to log in and access your Leonardo account. That means you've successfully signed up. That's how you can easily create a Leonardo AI account. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.